Beautiful. Amazing. The area itself is having a Rasayana property.
This is so much perfect.
Yeah.
Amulam veshtitam darbaihi padmini pankalepitam. So this is the padmini panka. Padmini means where the lotus grows.
Okay.
From that pond we have collected this.
Okay.
This one.
It's a lotus dung. I mean, lotus like the cow dung, the lotus area.
Yeah, where the lotus grows. See, there are two types. One is small, it is not a real lotus.
Okay.
There is a big one, is the real lotus.
Okay.
From that pond we collected this.
Okay. So that is what is smeared there.
You can just see what sticky nature is there.
Yes. And make a
We
goli
have
out
not
of it.
prepared anything, just got it from the pond and
Okay,
used it.
we can make a goli out of it actually.
Yeah, sticky nature.
Sticky ആണോ? എന്തെല്ലാം കാര്യങ്ങൾ വേണമല്ലേ?
Hello.
ഫീൽ ചെയ്യണം എന്നാലേ കാര്യമുള്ളേ. ഫീൽ ചെയ്യണം അതിൻ്റെ ഉരുട്ടി എടുക്കാം ഈസി ആയിട്ട്.
ഇത്